Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to develop some range of motion and strength to build up toward a side pistol using a slider. That's a great exercise to improve on your range of motion and strength with your lower body. So in order to get that exercise, we need to first build up the range of motion. So the main areas are your ankle on the posting leg and your adductors in both legs. So I'm going to show you a couple exercises for that. So the focus is on the back leg, really stretching for the back here, and you're going to feel it in the front. We're going to basically go heel to toe and step and stay low with your knees to feel that stretch. This one we're going to work into a middle split, so we're just going to sit there for about 30 seconds. Alright, nice good stretch for your adductors, and from there you're going to alternate with a nice straddle split and lean forward. Last one, we basically want to be sitting in this position where we want our heel to stay down, our foot to be squared, and our knee facing up, keeping our chest tall. Alright, and just sitting here.